So now that we have great access to the battery, I'm going to install this, a battery cutoff switch. There's quite a bit of conversation, we'll call it conversation, about whether it should be installed in the positive or the negative. After quite a bit of research, it seems that most people agree the safest option is on the negative cable. So that's where I'm going to put this. $13, Amazon. I'll drop a picture of it for you. I got a few electrical projects, and this is kind of just step one. Easy access to be able to just completely kill all the electronics on your system so you don't end up frying something when you're working on something else. Now looking closely here, so I'm going to clean all that red stuff off just so it's nice and clean. And then of course I'll put something back on it when I'm done. It's just to keep it from corroding. This cable here is running back. The dealer installed that for me. And it runs back to my MC2120. It opens basically the chute to let the grass out of the chute. So that's what that is. These two cables, obviously the negative. This one goes to the frame, the smaller one, and the larger one goes to the block. I will be removing those temporarily as well because I'm going to need to get some room through here. So here's what I've got. Got my switch installed so I can kill the battery. My negative, I just wrapped it back, brought it up here, tightened this down here, 13 millimeter, by the way, for both of these. And then this is articulating. This actually will slide back and forth. A couple of 10 millimeter nuts is what will tighten down the articulation. So I kind of took a look from the top earlier, and this should clear everything and not be a problem with actually touching anything. And again, it's the negative. So that's job one, is to get that part done.